Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa loading program ni Chipmate kung saan naka-install yung Anko Marine loader. So ngayon guys, pag makareceive ka ng EDI file or Bapli file from the planner, so paano mo malaman na this is Bapli 2.2 or with BGM or simply 2.0 or 1.5? So this file guys, let's say for example, this is the one you received from the planner. I just put for example the Viajero plan ISV VLC. This is from Valencia Planner in Spain. So by opening this through the Bapli viewer, so we can check and see if this is opening or not. So if this is not opening, so for sure this is 2.2. If it's opening, then this is 2.0. So how we will determine? So just right click, okay, and then guys, open with the viewer. Open with viewer for edit Bapli file format. Okay, just click it. See, so this is the result guys. So as you can see guys, naglo-loading siya, no? So it keeps on loading. So why? Because this is 2.2. Kahit na anong titig mo dyan guys, hindi talaga yan mag-o-open kasi Bapli 2.2 masya. So yan yung problema natin. So how we will convert this Bapli 2.2 to 2.0 so that we can open this EDI file through Bapli viewer for you to have your container data. Kasi nung Chipmate ako guys, ito yung Bapli viewer yung ginagamit ko para sa data. Yung loading program is only for stability purposes. The rest for container data I use Bapli viewer. So without further ado guys, so we will just close it. So hindi natin ma-open talaga yan. So we just close it, simply close it. Ito na guys. So ngayon, so ito guys, Bapli 2.2 ito guys. So copy lang natin yan guys. So right click copy, we'll make a new file by copy paste, no? Paste. So ito na guys. So Viajero plan is will copy. Okay, now open this with Notepad guys. So open with Notepad. Okay. Yung naka-notepad na yan, we just try, okay, open with Notepad para mapakita ko sa inyo paano talaga mag-convert. Okay, Notepad. Okay, loading. So napansin nyo guys, so naglo-loading siya. Okay, so this is the contents of Bapli 2.2 pa rin to guys, 2.2 but by opening through Notepad. Okay, so how to convert? So simply go to edit guys. Sundan nyo na yung kurso guys ha, edit, tapos replace ka guys, tapos find what, ang i-type mo guys, VGM. Ito kasi yung verified gross mass guys, yung bagong regulation talaga, nabutan ko pa to ng Chipmate ako. So VGM, then replace with what guys, replace with WT. So WT is weight yan guys, kaya hindi siya ma-read, diba? So WT, tapos replace all ka guys. Tarang, loading. Tingnan natin kung matapos siya mag-loading. Okay, actual talaga to guys ha. So tapos na guys, di ba? So close ka lang. Okay, close all the windows. Okay, and then save. Okay. So ngayon guys, naka-save na siya, no? So ito 'yon, di ba? So ngayon guys, so this is already converted from 2.2 to 2.0. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, i-click natin open through Bapli viewer ulit. Okay, open with Bapli viewer. Okay. Tarang! No, yan yun guys. So pwede ka na dyan maglaro-laro guys for your container data, kung ano yung mga refer list, so I will make another video to kapa-kapa the Bapli viewer. Kasi nung Chipmate nga ko, ito lang yung ginagamit ko for container plan, mga ganyan, mga number of containers, DG list, refer list, anong mga regarding sa ilang quantities, ito. Pero pag sa sa loading program na talaga, only for stability purposes. So for container data, I use Bapli viewer when I was chief officer. So yun lang guys, sana may natutunan. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, especially those aspiring chief officer. So sana may natutunan kayo, and click the notification bell for more updates para may inform ka palagi sa mga bagong video ko. So hanggang sa muli guys, paalam, babush!